Hey, sneakylinux back today. Today we've got Haiku, or Haiku. Now Haiku is a bit different from all the other OSs out there. Now I'm running from the live CD, although I have installed it on a standalone system, but I couldn't find any desktop recording software, so I'm having to do it in the box. So anyway, you click on Live Desktop CD, and here we are. Pretty different, don't you think? Now Haiku is sort of based on Beos, if any of you remember that, going back in a day. So everything is completely different to what you're used to. So you're there. No. So, desktop. There we go. Haiku. BE book. Home. User guide. Welcome. Install and trash. All there for you. Menu, right over here, right hand side, top corner. I'll go down a bit for you. Desk bar, shutdown, documents, applications. But I'm going to go to preferences to start with, because I need to get my network working so we can get to the internet. Otherwise, no good really, is it, when you think about it? Now, if you're using in the box, you'll need to make it a bridged adapter, so I've found, and then it works fine. So there we go, DHCP, click apply, see you later, and I should be connected to the internet, in theory. You notice I said in theory there? No, everything's fine. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the menu, excuse me, bad hay fever, desktop applets. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put my network status there, the little applet in there, so I know if I'm connected to the internet basically. Click on install, and Bob's your uncle. We're done, connected to the net. Ooh, BOS styly, I like it. Nice little icon there, all there for you to have a look with. Right, B-book, let's have a look at B-book. You have to be connected to the net, by the way. Tells you all about B, or BOS, or Haiku. And basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to open the media kit section here. I'm just showing you a few little bits and give you a quick overview. Otherwise, this video could go on for about 25-30 minutes. There's quite a lot to show you because it is a lot different from all the others. So, supportive families, QuickTime, AVI, AVR, ASF, MPEG, AIFF, Wave, and miscellaneous, whatever that miscellaneous. Also, your buttons are on different sides here as well. I'm getting confused with all these different OSs with buttons everywhere. I'll close that down and we'll go to the next one. It's home, but I'm not going to open it. We'll open up user guide. There we go. Make it bigger. Click that one. Basically, it's just a user guide. Now, you could be here sometime looking at these, I should think, because there is lots to learn. And if you're not used to this sort of thing whatsoever, will beware. I wouldn't recommend it for a new user. Intermediate to advanced, yes, you should be fine. Because you're going to have to use a little bit of terminal. Well, you have to use quite a lot of terminal, really. But it is all there, and there is a GUI working, and you can get most things done with a GUI. But on other occasions, you may not. Bear in mind, this is the Alpha 2, by the way. I didn't say it, did you? Alpha 2. I'm saying again, Alpha 2. We'll go over to welcome. Excuse my bad chest again. There we go. It's just a welcome screen, basically. It tells you it's buggy. It's just a release candidate. You know, it's Alpha, man. Alpha. Installed and trash is there, as I showed you earlier. But what we're going to do, we're going to go back down to applications, methinks. Excuse me. And there's other stuff there too, of course. In applications, we've got PDF, CD player, character map, clockwork, Codicam for webcams, a desktop calculator, device manager, basically. Disk probe, disk usage, drive setup, expander, iconomatic, the installer, magnify MAU, media converter. Let's have a look at that. We'll open up the media converter. There we go. And basically, you just drag your media over there and convert it to what you want to convert it to, in theory. I haven't tried it yet. I ain't had enough time. That's cool, I should think. Yeah, super duper. Back to applications again. What else can I show you? We'll go a bit further down. Media player, MIDI player, PE. People and Poor Men, very interesting. Screenshotter, lovely. There's also a sound recorder there as well, which is pretty good. Styled edit, terminal, TV, Vision, Web Positive, which is their web browser, and Wonderbrush. Pretty cool, yeah. So Wonderbrush, just import your photos or whatever, or your pictures, and do what you got to do with them. It's not GIMP, but hey, it's there. And remember, this is a completely different system, all openy, sourcey, nicey. Back to the menu again. We'll go down to applications again. I need to do a shortcut for that, don't I, really? Well, should be open. I'll tell you what, we'll open up the web. Let's see what happens. Takes you to this screen. When you open it up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to the tube. So www.youtube.co.uk, because I'm in the UK. Smash enter, and there you go. You're straight to it. No problemo. Comes up quite clear and nice, as you can see. Not too bad. It runs better once you've installed it to the system. It don't really like playing off the CD, to be really honest with you. It don't like that one little iota. Now, does it come with Flash? Now, you and I know it ain't going to come with Flash, because Flash ain't free, is it? But there's probably something out there we can do with that, isn't there? Of course there is, there is. So let's open one up just to see, just in case I'm lying, which I'm not. Harlem Globetrotters or M&M. We'll open up M&M. No Flash. Bummer. But that's one thing you'd have to do if you installed it on your system. So that's a bit different, isn't it? Okay, back over to the Bubaka, and we'll see what their pages come up like. www.bbc.co.uk, Bubaka. All nice and clear. Actually, very, very clear, actually. Very nice indeed. I do like that. That's pretty cool. Nice. So we'll quit the web browser. So it's quite a bit different, isn't it, as you've noticed. So we're going to go a few more things with you. I'm not going to make it too long, because you can all download it and give it a go yourself, can't you? Yes, you say to yourself, of course I can. Mail, on the other hand, a really basic mail client. And we'll see what we can do with it. So we'll go down to Accounts, click on Accounts, and we'll see what we're going to do. Okay, we want to add, don't we, basically? So we'll add an account. Now what do you get here? You get POP3 and IMAP, which is enough for most of us, really. And you can set it to just send and receive or send. So that's up to you. Nice. Worksies. Get rid of that. We'll get rid of that and go on to the next thing. Yeah. Okay, back to the menu again. Excuse me. Applications again. We need a bloody shortcut for that, don't I? Character Clockwork Soldier. What else we got down here to open up? Ooh. Media player. Yes, another one. A basic, simple media player that plays it all. Basically, you drag your files over into the media player and off you go. It plays them. No problemo whatsoever. Nice. Menu again. Getting worn out doing this menu thing. Demos. This is another thing. There's a couple of games here. There's some desk art, font demos. So I'll open up Sudoku. There you go. Nice one to play a bit of Sudoku. Now, bearing in mind, there are lots of repositories out there for stuff for this. So you don't just have to play with what you've got on here. But you have to get really into it, really. You have to spend some time with it if you really want to install it. I think once you spend some time with it, you'll grow to love it, actually. It's just one of those things, because it's so different, really, more than anything else. So this is the font demo. You can change all your fonts, the sizes, the shears, the rotations, and everything there. So, yeah, that's nice, too. I really like. I'll come to the end now, so we'll just show a couple more things, and then you can go and download it yourself, because the download's not very big, really, you know what I'm saying? Pulses there, playground pairs, desktop applets I've already showed you anyway, so yeah. Nice. Now, on the whole, Haiku is very, very nice. Once you get used to its idiosyncrasies, I can't even say the word, its differences, should we say, I'll just show you the clock. It's a clock, tells you the time. What more can I say? Right. What would I give this if I give it 5 out of 5? I don't know. I'll have to think about that. Sneaky Linux going out to play. Very nice. Download it yourself. Sneaky Linux out.